Hey guys, got a fun UV look for you today. Going for a slight RGB split effect to make it feel like a glitchy 80s computer display. So stick around and watch this trippy look get rendered. Start with the latex bald cap, apply with Telesis 8F adhesive. And glue down those eyebrows. Started blending the edges with latex and realized I forgot to cut out my ears, so went ahead and did that. Then finished blending it all down. Using Wolfe FX Hydrocolor in black, created a base. Then followed it with a layer of Skin Illustrator black. This way I won't have to worry about the neon water activated paints becoming muddy. Onto the Wolfe FX Hydrocolor in white, start creating the grid pattern. I used a craft stick as a straight edge for the center of the design. I was using a reference for this and alternating back and forth to try to keep everything symmetrical. Just took my time and painted a ton of lines. Not too worried if I goofed up, the Skin Illustrator base makes it easy to wipe away the white. If there was a larger area that I needed to fix, just went over it with the black and jumped back to the white. Colored in the rest of my lips with black Illustrator and brought the lines into the mouth. Now that the grid is painted, take the black Wolfe and paint in any areas that needed to be cleaned up. The first color up, Suva Beauty Hydra FX liner in Grape soda. Airbrushing the shadow areas, and careful not to spray too much and reactivate the white. Just like that. Yeah, don't do that. Basically, just let it dry and went over it a few times to darken the purple. And once the other color lines are added, it will be just fine. After I get the density I want, take the black Hydrocolor and clean up the overspray. Since I want to make sure I wasn't going to have any random glowing areas outside of the grid. Also at this point, finished up the pattern around my eyes. Now with the Suva Beauty Hydra FX Tracksuit, start to paint along the white lines. Made the lines in the back thicker so it looks more distorted under the black light. I'm making sure the blue is on the same side of each white line. Follow with the Suva Beauty Hydra FX liner in Fanny pack. Apply this color between the blue and the white. Also painted this color a bit thinner than the blue lines. Now with Suva Beauty Hydra FX liner and Scrunchie, go over all those white lines. And took Suva Beauty Fanny Pack color and the Wolfe FX white and created a slightly lighter green to pop in here and there. Also did this with the Suva Beauty Tracksuit color and the white Wolfe. Finally, clean up around the eyes and put in some of the last scrunchy lines. And add some of the Kat Von D Beauty Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black where needed. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.